What is the blockchain? How is it used? Why is it important to crypto and DeFi? I'm Cyber.October, here to teach you everything you need to know about crypto and decentralized finance. So let's get into it. In technical terms, the blockchain is a public ledger in which all transactions, wallet addresses, smart contracts, things like that are stored, and anyone and everyone can access and see this public ledger. Think of it like a digital, unchangeable record-keeping book. All the blockchain info can be found on etherscan.io. Nothing in the blockchain can be edited, it can't be tampered with, and it can't be hacked. At least it would be dang near impossible. No one controls the blockchain. It is controlled by a series of smart contracts which were implemented during its creation. I'll have a separate video on smart contracts explaining what they are and how they're important to DeFi and a lot of DeFi projects. Anyways, why is it called the blockchain? Well, it's called the blockchain because there's a series of blocks that move in chronological order. So when one block is getting completed, data is going into it. And when that block is filled up, that block connects to the previous block. And then a new block begin getting filled with data, and then it connects to that previous block. So it moves in a timeline. So it's a chain of blocks called the blockchain. Might be confusing, but that's kind of how I remember it. How does a transaction get into the blockchain? So basically, the transaction gets validated by miners. Miners can validate transactions using proof of work or proof of stake. And those are two ways that transactions get validated and put into the blockchain, but they're very different. Bitcoin uses proof of work, and Ethereum, for example, uses proof of stake. There's a lot of environmental, talk that goes into these two mining methods. So they're very important. I'll have a separate video up explaining proof of work versus proof of stake. That'll be super important to go in and watch to understand how the mining process works. But I hope this video on the blockchain helped you. If it did, please leave a like. If there's any questions you have for me or anything you want me to cover, please just let me know. So again, I'm Cyber.October. Thanks for watching.